Here is exactly how faceless channels are making thousands of dollars a week posting AI soccer shorts during the World Cup. Right now, the World Cup is the biggest trend on the internet. But if you just download ESPN footage and re-upload it, YouTube will ban your channel for copyright. Today, I'm going to show you the secret AI tool smart creators are using to generate their own viral, copyright-free soccer videos in under 2 minutes. We are using ElevenLabs. Most people think ElevenLabs is just for voiceovers, but they just released a massive stealth update. They integrated Kling AI directly into their dashboard, which means it is now a full video generation studio. Let me show you how easy this is. Inside your ElevenLabs dashboard, click on the new Image and Video tab. In the prompt box, you want to be highly descriptive. I'm going to type cinematic slow motion of a professional soccer player kicking a winning goal under bright stadium lights, 4K resolution. Now, we just hit generate. Look at the quality of this. It is 100% copyright free. From here, you just download this clip, drop it into CapCut, and add a trending World Cup song. Now, generating the video is easy, but if you want to turn these views into actual automated income, you need the right business setup. You need automated DMs and a way to sell digital products. If you want to know the exact software I use to run my own automated faceless brand, I built a free tech stack generator. Just click the link in the description below, answer a few quick questions, and my AI will give you a custom list of the best tools to use. Click the link below, hit subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.